guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Growing Orchids in Jamaica. In case you're new to my channel, please subscribe so you see just how I grow orchids in Jamaica. Today guys, I am on the road and I am doing a shoot on the native orchids of Jamaica. And so if you want to see the native orchids that I'm going to be showing today, just stay tuned. In the mini-series called Native Orchids of Jamaica, I featured several orchids that are found growing here in the wild in Jamaica. And now we are doing another highlight in this series. This time I will be featuring the Bletia purpurea orchid, which is another interesting plant, and this is found widely distributed on the island. I'm on this road that I travel every day to work, and I look forward, guys, to this time of year when the Bletia orchids are in bloom. Similar to looking forward to the Epidendrum radicans orchids on the same roadway when they are in bloom just around the same time. Speaking of Epidendrum orchids, did you know that there is an Epidendrum orchid that is found in the wild area in Jamaica called the Epidendrum deforme? No, I did not know that. I am learning that for the first time, guys. And guess what? These Epidendrum deforme orchids are epiphytic. They grow in clusters and they have stout stems, which are sometimes zigzaggy. You know, this orchid is of a succulent light green leaves which have tubular sheathing. This is about 3 centimeters long. The leaves are oblong. These orchids tend to grow on trees and they actually flower all year round. Isn't this a beauty, guys? And they are actually distributed widely. Now, they are especially found growing on like citrus trees or calabash trees. And they are found in areas in Jamaica like in the Moko Mountain, the Christiana, Troy, and so forth. Yes, guys, so this is another one of our native plant that we find here in the wild in Jamaica, the Epidendrum deforme. Now, the Bletia orchids are found in St. Catherine, Sligoville to be exact, St. Anne, Clarendon in the Bullhead Mountain area, in Manchester, and this is just to name a few, because there are other places that they are found across the island of Jamaica. And guess what? Internationally, they are also found in Florida, Mexico, Cuba, Hispaniola, and also in Barbados. The Bletia purpurea is a terrestrial plant similar to the Spottoglottis orchids. They grow on rocks, they grow in between shrubs, and you basically find them just growing along the highway and perhaps in areas where there are limestones. They have 3 to 5 light to green to dark green colored leaves, which will actually shrivel away when the plant is actually in bloom. They bloom pink, they bloom purple or white flower with a gold crest on the lip. All right, Reddy, tell me what is the name of this plant?
Oh, the name of this orchid is Bletia, is the Bletia purpurea. and it's the white Bletia that you don't regularly see as you would see the purple or the pink Bletia. It's a very rare Bletia to Jamaica. And it's one of the ground orchid you know by now.
Yes, that's what I'm realizing.
Plant in the ground inside.
Mm-hmm.
They call it terrestrial.
They bloom between February and May and are actually grown in the full sun, guys. There it is, guys. This is a purplish, pinkish Bletia orchid. But look here, guys. I see another shade. This is another shade that I'm seeing here. Ah, yes, this one is more of a brighter pink than the other one that I highlighted. Right, so guys, these are actually on the roadside, and if you look closely, you're not even seeing the bulb under there, and that is what is so stunning about it, because the truth is, once it has finished bloomed off, you really do not see anything again for the rest of the year until it's time again for them to bloom. They bloom anywhere between February and May. And just look, guys, they are just along the roadway here doing its thing on the roadside. So they are just here along the roadway. You're not seeing any leaves, you're not seeing the bulbs, but just this time of the year you will see the blooms appear. Isn't that awesome, guys? That is truly awesome.
Terrestrial mix that whether you're gonna do it in pot or in bed,
Right.
that you do plant them in. Yes. They do well in that. That is a mix between gravel, charcoal dust, tree fern dust, and soil.
Okay, I'm seeing this one for the first time.
Well,
The white.
I'm looking for it for the past 20 years now.
Oh my Lord.
From I start Kalikaki, I tell myself I would like to find this one. And I just run into it in sentence while collecting other plants.
Very good, very good. All right. There's another one all the way over there in the bushes, guys, and that's just the nature of the Bletia orchids. So once you're going along the roadway, you'll just see a few of them. Just that beautiful bloom just pops out throughout the weeds and the other bushes on the roadside. Okay, there's another one, and this one is actually in the concrete along the drain, and really and truly you are not seeing the root, you're hardly seeing the bulbs. This is it, guys, and that's what the bulb looks like. And if you notice, this one is etched right at the edge of the concrete pavement, so it's telling me it doesn't even need a lot of soil for it to grow and survive. There it is, guys, right on top of the drain, the Bletia orchid. So this is another
Bletia, but it's a bigger Bletia. It's a bigger bloom. You call that Bletia Florida.
Okay.
Yeah, because the darker shade, they almost want to call it Florida.
Oh.
But Bletia Florida, that's what they need.
Okay, good. So guys, we have looked at another one of our native orchids in Jamaica, the Bletia orchids. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up. And so you never miss another video, please subscribe to my channel. And as we say in Jamaica, just follow back at me. This is the Orchid Duck, and I am growing orchids in Manchester, Jamaica.